our first talk today is by Jie Lin, and it's on his summer internship.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my summer internship. These are all the contents I will talk about in this presentation. So let me introduce myself. As you can see, I'm Chinese, and I'm double majoring in mathematics and computer science, and trying to get a minor in Japanese. It's kind of tough. And what do I learn technically in this internship? So web design, like J2E, Oracle database use, how to use Oracle database, and how to take bug tests, debug it, and some Android development. And non-technically, so time management and communication. And what is a good team? So I can explain this word here. Now, I learned what is a good team is everyone in the team and the company has the in this team or company has the passion to do everything. So for example, you are good at programming in Java, but you receive a project in you need to program in C++, but you won't say I will quit because I don't know anything about C++. I only can do the Java. So you can't say this. So you need to try and try. And everybody in this team or in this company will try this project for their best to get their best result. And the importance of a leader. And a leader, I think after this internship, leader is not leading you to do something, but his main job is managing different people into a different position. That position is perfect for this people, for this person. And how to control your emotion. So when you have you don't know how to program, you maybe get a bad emotion or say some bad words, and I think at that time I would to stop and think why I'm going to say that word and why I can't do this. So just try, and then you can learn more. So then you have a question, where did I learn all this? So my company, not my company, my internship. I worked in Lanzhou Jiarui Information Technology Company. There are only 5 people, including me. This is a very small company. So, and it does all kinds of software development, and it also helps China Mobile Communication Corporation, which is have this sign. You can see this is the biggest mobile network supporter, I think, like the AT&T in America. So they help them to maintain the database and build the in company web system. And why they can help this company. So there's little story in this, because my boss was an employee in this company, so he still got some connection to this company. So this kind of be good thing to for small company to have some job to do. And all kinds of software development, such as develops Android application, Windows application, iOS application, and web pages, and so on. There's a lot. And this is some picture about the place I work, Lanzhou. And what did I do? So web design. Web design is made like when you build a web, you need to learn how to use HTML5 or HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I used these two Sublime Text to like create a web. I will like demonstrate the web I did. This is the tools I used, and this is the web I built. I will improve it to get more function. Here is I use the framework, like the text framework can do all kinds of like font or size for set like all kinds of font. So this I also added like download link. It will be like similar to the application in China called WeChat. So this can be like sending a file to another one, and this one's the other ones got this file and can download it, open it in this web page. This is how I built it as a component of this whole web design. And J2E is, to my understanding, I've got a graph. It's like this. You have three main components. Like you have web page interacts with the Java controller, and this Java controller only interacts with database. There's no cross-line, like web page can directly interact with database. I think it's more safer web design or web system design. And I learned this. This is the tool I use, is my Eclipse, and there's a lot like knowledge in this J2E development. Then you have like a bunch of like framework you can use, like Spring MVC, and Hibernate, and so on. There's a lot. Yeah, it will make this system design easier and like usable, reusable. And I also did some like mobile UI development. I still use Sublime because it's like made by HTML5 and HTML. And I try to use some Photoshops because I need to like take some photos out of make it, maybe some of the photos is JPG, or I need to make it to PNG. There's no background, like white background, so I need to like intransitive, I think. Oh, I don't know, like glass. I don't know. No, and I need to test the UI, mobile UI, in different like browser, such as like IE, Firefox, and Google Chrome. So I need to test the stability that it can use all kinds of browser to open it and run it safer. So it won't be crash on the when you like put into the real mobile interface. There will no crash in it. And this is like failed mobile UI design. It's make huge when you like have a full screen, but when you get scroll down, it's get like more like mobile interface, and I improved. Gotta learn how to use JavaScript to have a make the size up and size down and into a fixed point. There's no flexible point in this. So maybe JavaScript that I just did is now whole screen got all kinds of icons like the one I did before. It will like move another somewhere when you get full screen. And when you scroll down, it's all keep this. Oh, so I also use some Photoshops to get off the icons and how it helped me. So after my graduation, I think I will go to build my own company. So it's very helped me to learn what kind of team I need to build, what kind of people I need to have in this team, and how to be a good leader. And for my schoolwork, I think I got more knowledge about programming, maybe and work with others on communications. So I think I was better at communicating with others. So I never communicate with my teammate before. So I will try to communicate with them right now. So I think the schoolwork is not too hard because the real work is much harder than you think. So, questions?
Any questions for Jay?
Yes.
So you said you wanted to start your own company. Would your company do software development?
I think I will do software development and hardware build. So like someone needs a PC, desktop, that I will like build for them to find the perfect hardware for them.
That's awesome.
Yes.
You said your boss is an employee in the China Mobile company.
Yes.
So if that means the 5 people's company is like a sub company of China Mobile?
No, it's not sub company because it's like individual company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Let's thank Jay again.